From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Violet Skybor.
Good evening, everyone. The snow is finally beginning to taper off. Just a couple of light flurries out there for this evening, but you will want the shovel, especially if you live up north after the snow that we got today. A live look from our Cavity Tower Cam this evening, just seeing a couple of flurries over the Mohawk Valley and just scattered across the region, but those are coming to an end tonight. Outside right now on the ground, definitely more up north. 3 inches in Boonville, 2 inches in Middleville, 1.5 inches in Barneveld. As we go towards the Mohawk Valley, around a trace to 2 inches. 1.3 inches in Utica, 2 inches in Marcy, 2 inches out in Mohawk, and 1 inch out by Salisbury and Stratford as well. As we head down to the southern valleys, around a trace to 2 inches as well. 1 inch in Sequoia, 2 inches in Cassville, 1 inch in Edmiston, 1/2 inch in Hartwick, and 1.5 inches in Cooperstown. So you'll only need the brush if you live in the southern valleys or the Mohawk Valley, but the North Country you may need that shovel, as we did get around 2 to 4 inches, which is what we had forecasted. A live look from our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 radar. Just a couple of light flurries sprinkled across the region. Those are expected to come to an end tonight, and this is as a low pressure system moves east and out of the region with drier air behind it for the start of the week. We only stay dry for Monday, though. As we look towards Tuesday, this low pressure system is once again going to bring the chance for snow back again, but we're really only expecting a light accumulation from that system. Outside right now, 25 degrees for Dick and Curtis Corners, 25 degrees over in Barneveld for Lou, 30 for Marge in Boonville, 30 degrees for Dave in Yorkville. As we head down to the southern valleys, still right around 30 degrees. 29 for Stuart in Cooperstown, 30 degrees for Chris in Edmiston, and for Helen in Cassville, 32 degrees for Ted in Morris. Timing out your forecast. Again, just a couple of flurries out there for this evening. Those shrink up and come to an end tonight, only dropping down into the upper 20s. Then starting off dry for your Monday morning, mostly cloudy skies starting in the lower 30s. And then we only reach the mid to upper 30s by the afternoon, but at least we stay dry. Heading towards Monday night, mostly cloudy skies dropping down into the lower 20s. And then the chance for snow returns as we head into Tuesday, but it will be very light and sprinkled across the region throughout the day. Again, not expecting a huge accumulation from that. So additional snowfall from right now until tonight, just a trace to 1 inch as those flurries just scattered across the region come to an end. Really not expecting a whole lot from that. But looking out towards Tuesday, we'll have around 1 to 2 inches for the North Country and then a trace to 1 inch for the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys. So the North Country is going to get the bulk of that. A strong weather system is going to move in for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, starting as rain the second half of Christmas Eve, switching over to snow overnight. And then that snow is going to be widespread as we head towards Christmas Day, even continuing into the weekend for Saturday as lake effect snow showers. For this evening, temperatures in the lower 30s with some snow showers into tonight, dropping down into the upper 20s as that snow comes to an end. Here's a look at the rest of your forecast. Snow returns on Tuesday, but we dry out for Monday and Wednesday. Then a strong weather system moves in, warming us up into the upper 40s, but we'll get heavy rain and gusty winds, changing over to heavy snow looking towards Christmas Day, even into the start of the weekend as well, cooling down into the 20s. Jolene?